Today we're going to check out this DynaTrap3 and see if it can stop the mosquitoes in our backyard. We got it out of the box and it comes sort of in its very self-explanatory way. You get this and you got a little thingy that you got to put underneath it. You're really just going to line these up and push them into each other and then pull the cord out as you're going so that it all goes together. Okay, let me show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this and push that into place. Then you find which direction it goes. Right in the space like that, and done. Next, you're gonna add the bottom on. To put the base on, there's this little notch right here that fits into the base here. So you're gonna push that in, and then you're gonna put that on the end here, and line that bottom thing up, just like that, and then get the thread started, like that, and tighten it up. Just make sure the bottom is in that notch that I told you about. And that's it. The DynaTrap. Our next test is to it says just leave it outside. The bulbs go bad every couple of months. It's gonna track some bugs, and we're gonna see how much we catch in a day. Even though they say that this is waterproof, we're gonna put it right up against the house here and keep it semi-dry. And hopefully it'll kill what we have over there. I really want it on my hammock. I'll tell you if it gets those guys too, because I'll know immediately how it works, and we'll see. It's been 24 hours, and oh look, that guy flew away. Look, they're flying away. How'd they get in there if they're flying away? That's weird. Anyhow, it killed a bunch of bugs. It doesn't look like too many mosquitoes. It looks like the moths really like it. There's a couple of mosquitoes in there. Anyhow, we'll keep it running. It's been 24 hours, and oh look, that guy flew away. Look, they're flying away. How'd they get in there if they're flying away? That's weird. Anyhow, it killed a bunch of bugs. It doesn't look like too many mosquitoes. It looks like the moths really like it. There's a couple of mosquitoes in there. Anyhow, we'll keep it running. It's doing something. A quick update on the DynaTrap. The bulb has already died. It's only been 2 days. So I ordered some cheapos on Amazon, and we'll obviously have to show you how to put them in, because if you buy the DynaTrap, it looks like you're gonna be buying light bulbs, and if you buy the DynaTrap light bulbs, they're even more expensive. Up here at the top, there's an on-off switch, so you just move this whole thing. It either lets the bugs in and turns on, or it doesn't. Now, all in one video, I will show you how to change the bulb that just came with this thing. So I got some from Amazon, a 4-pack. We'll hope that we got the right ones. So to get in here, we gotta take off this screw right here, and then it has the same mechanism where the whole thing just turns. Let me get this out. So we're gonna remove the screw, like so, put it down somewhere safe, and then grab this. Oh, looks like we need 2 hands, there we go. And there's the fan. So the bulb is right up there. It looks like there's another screw. Let's take that Phillips head screw off right there. Okay, I loosened this up just enough so that it could spin off. And then to get this out, you kind of just pull on it. It comes out. There's the dead light bulb. Let's see what the new one looks like. It looks pretty identical. Let's see, to get this in there, do we have to line anything up? It's a square. Let's push it in. Okay, you guys want to see this thing work? There we go. It's working again. Don't try that at home. Let's put it back together. Our next video is how long this bulb will last for. So we turned it on today, and let's see how long it lasts.